In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to remove the pin logged in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So how we can do so, navigate at the button search bar here. Please type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until the best match would appear in this window. Once it's here, click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and then that way you would be able to bring up the settings window in our screen here in your Windows 11. So wait for a few seconds once everything are set already here before we continue to the steps. And once everything are ready, directly proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the option. Please locate with the option called accounts and wait until the account settings would be ready the moment you will tap on it. And once it is being set, scroll down on the list and proceed with sign in options where you can see the Windows Hello PIN, security key, password, and dynamic lock. So this sign-in option setting is being composed of a lot of components, and one of this is the ways to sign in. So here at the ways to sign in, you can see a lot of way on how to sign in your Windows 11. And since the target of this video is to remove the pin or the pin logged in our Windows 11 PC or laptop, then by that you need to navigate to this option called Pin Windows Hello. Then click on this down arrow key aligning to it, and you can see there are two options being revealed, which are change your pin and remove the sign in option. And then you need to click on remove. Okay, and from here it will ask you to, are you sure you want to remove your PIN? Having a PIN makes it easier to sign into Windows, make payments, and connect to apps and services. If you're using face or fingerprint recognition, they will stop working if you remove your PIN. So click on remove to confirm your action. And the moment you do it, okay, if it will ask you to type your current PIN, just type it. Okay, type that, and the moment you've typed that, the moment you've clicked on OK, you would be able to successfully remove that here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, the moment you will open again, okay, you won't be able to see the logged in, the pin logged in here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.